Welcome to the introduction of our exciting Sanlam gap cover benefits and pricing presentation. Medical schemes are designed to provide their members with a sense of comfort and security in attending to their specific healthcare needs. Yet no medical aid option offers completely unlimited cover, and should such benefits be depleted, the financial implications can impact even the best of financial plans. Sanlam Gap Cover has been formulated specifically to offer an affordable yet comprehensive solution to bridging this healthcare gap. In a space where little innovation has happened, Sanlam Gap Cover will show you that we offer a host of unique benefits and seamless integration with our partnered schemes, ensuring a true game changer for both you and your members. Now, as we're about to showcase these features, let's get ready to step across this bridge together.
Good day, everyone. I hope you're all taking good care of yourselves during this busy renewal period. I know it's a hectic time, but I'm truly grateful to have you here with us today. As we continue to navigate through an economic climate that's placing pressure on businesses and individuals alike, one thing remains clear: we need to stand together. And with resilience and optimism, we can look ahead to a future full of opportunities. This past year hasn't been without its challenges, but it has reminded us of the incredible value of strong partnerships, innovative thinking, and our unwavering commitment to delivering real value to our members. Here at Sanlam Corporate, we know that our brokers, employers, and members need more than just standard one-size-fits-all solutions. They need products and services that are adaptable and tailored to meet their ever-evolving needs. That's why we continue to invest in enhancing our product suite, ensuring we offer comprehensive corporate solutions, from employee benefits to essential offerings through primary care, EAP, wellness, and of course, gap cover. I'm confident that together we can continue to grow, innovate, and provide exactly what our clients need to thrive in this ever-changing landscape. Let's embark on this journey of success together as we take a closer look at the exciting 2025 gap benefit offerings.
Today, we'll explore how Sanlam Gap Cover can help ensure that good health is never out of reach. Before we unpack the details, let's summarize the highlights you can expect from Sanlam Gap Cover in 2025. First things first, why Sanlam Gap? Medical scheme members still require an extra layer of protection to cover certain shortfalls between what your medical scheme will pay and the rates charged by in-hospital medical specialists. Sanlam Gap helps bridge this gap by offering financial confidence and peace of mind. Sanlam Gap offers 3 solutions for your clients: Comprehensive, Core, and FedHealth Next Gen, with the MediClinic Extender available to Comprehensive and Core members for added benefits. For clients seeking comprehensive protection, Sanlam Comprehensive Gap will cover an additional 600% above the medical scheme tariff in 2025, unlimited co-payments in or out of the hospital, and various oncology benefits. Additionally, we're introducing a new benefit for 2025, the Major Affective Disorders Benefit, providing crucial mental health support. On screen now, you can see some of the other important benefit enhancements for 2025. Sanlam Gap Core offers essential gap cover for clients on select medical schemes, including an additional 300% coverage for hospital shortfalls and protection against co-payment penalties. As FedHealth's preferred partner, Sanlam Gap's Next Gen solution is designed to provide essential cover for young and healthy FlexiFed Savvy or Elect members who seek flexibility when it comes to their healthcare needs. We've made some exciting changes to the MediClinic Extender benefit. This is an add-on benefit for Sanlam Gap Comprehensive or Core options for members that use Mediclinic facilities and includes benefits such as casualty illness cover, specialist benefits, private ward cover during childbirth, cancer lump sum payout, and more. Another great feature you can look forward to in 2025 is our new age band structure for new clients that allows clients to lock in more favorable rates based on the age at which they join, ensuring competitive premiums for life and affordable healthcare planning for the future. Worth noting is that our automated claims submission process for preferred partners, which was introduced in 2023, is paying dividends. Last year, it processed over 25% of claims, totaling over 15 million rand. It continues to ensure a seamless experience with minimal paperwork, making your interaction with Sanlam Gap quicker and easier than ever. When it comes to delivering real value for money, Sanlam Gap is a true market leader with rich benefits, such as our additional 600% tariff shortfall. Tariff shortfall benefits make up about 70% of Sanlam Gap claims, and for 2025, we're retaining our rich tariff shortfall benefit. At an additional 600%, Sanlam Gap Comprehensive offers the richest tariff shortfall benefit on the market. This really underscores our commitment to providing quality cover where it matters most, while keeping monthly contributions as low as possible. An overall average increase of just 44 Rand across our entire book makes Sanlam Gap one of the most cost-effective solutions available. When it comes to both premiums and benefit limits, Sanlam Gap Comprehensive offers up to 39% more value compared to other Gap products on the market. With Sanlam Gap, your client's good health is never a bridge too far. We'll now dive into the details of these changes and more during the remainder of our launch event. Thank you for joining us and your continued support.
Welcome back. I'd like to now hand over to Stephanie van Niekerk, our Principal Actuary at Sanlam Gap. She'll be walking you through a detailed overview of Sanlam Gap's performance and the key principles guiding our pricing for 2025. Over to you, Steph.
Thank you, Sandile. Over the past year, our team has been hard at work using the power of data science and analytics to enhance our business and the value we offer to all our members. Today, I'm excited to share some key insights into the Sanlam Gap book and guide you through the principles shaping our 2025 pricing strategy. Let's begin with a look at our membership. Despite the challenges brought on by COVID-19 and the tough economic climate, which has seen many medical schemes experience a loss in membership, the Sanlam Gap book remains resilient. In fact, we've seen consistent growth of over 10% per year since 2018. This sustained growth is a testament to the value that members see in the Sanlam Gap offering. Our book's average age is just over 45 years, and with a low pensioner ratio, we're in a strong, stable position. On top of that, Sanlam Gap continues to be a trusted partner for corporate clients, with over 130 companies placing their employees' health in our hands. Now, let's talk about why gap cover is becoming more essential than ever in today's healthcare landscape. While medical aids provide substantial coverage, there are still gaps that can lead to hefty out-of-pocket expenses for members. The graph here shows real-world examples where Sanlam Gap payouts exceeded what the medical scheme covered. Without Sanlam Gap, these costs would have fallen directly onto our members. And the reality is, claims are only getting bigger. Rising healthcare costs and the growing gap between what medical schemes cover and the actual costs of treatment are driving these numbers up. As healthcare providers adjust their fees and medical inflation continues to outpace general inflation, the shortfalls our members face continue to grow. Not to mention, as more advanced treatments and specialized procedures become available, medical aids are imposing stricter limits and higher co-payments, leaving members with significant gaps to cover. In fact, we've seen the number of claims exceeding 50,000 Rand more than double between 2021 and 2023. That's why Sanlam Gap is so important. It provides financial protection and peace of mind when it's needed most. If we look at the trends, it's clear that claims are on the rise. Last year alone, Sanlam Gap paid out over 61 million Rand in claims, with the average claim size exceeding 8,000 Rand. We're incredibly proud of the fact that we settled 95% of all submitted claims, reaffirming our commitment to being there for our members when they need us most. There's a common belief that gap cover is mostly for smaller claims, but this couldn't be further from the truth. In reality, it plays a crucial role in covering large financial shortfalls during major medical events. On this slide, you can see the top 10 highest Sanlam Gap claims from 2023, with claims reaching up to 189,000 Rand. These aren't small sums. For most people, facing costs like this would be overwhelming. It's also important to note that major medical events can affect people of all ages across different medical schemes. Whether it's a life-saving surgery or an unexpected hospital procedure, Sanlam Gap ensures you're fully protected from the unexpected. At Sanlam Gap, we're committed to supporting our members through every stage of life, whether it's the joy of welcoming a new baby or the challenges of managing serious health conditions. In 2023, we celebrated the arrival of 253 Sanlam Gap babies, while also helping with essential dental care, where the average claim is around 7,000 Rand. As members age and their healthcare needs change, we continue to stand by them, supporting claims like those for heart disease, where the average payout is over 15,000 Rand, and cancer treatment, where we supported over 250 members last year. No matter the stage of life, we're here to help our members through whatever health challenges come their way. Now, let's move on to our pricing strategy for 2025. Our pricing is built on a foundation of extensive actuarial input, supported by cutting-edge data analytics and technology. The sustainable management of our risk pool is the cornerstone of our approach. For 2025, we're focused on maintaining the rich, comprehensive benefits our members have come to rely on, while ensuring that premiums remain competitive and affordable. At the same time, we're safeguarding the long-term sustainability of the book. A guiding principle in all our decisions is the equitable treatment of all our members. This is something we take very seriously. I'm thrilled to announce the introduction of a new age band structure for our 2025 product. Under this new structure, members will stay in the same age band they joined for the entire duration of their time with Sanlam Gap. So, the younger you join, the better your rates will be. This new age band structure will apply to new policyholders from 1 January 2025. Existing policyholders will remain in their current age bands and experience an appropriate premium increase. At Sanlam Gap, we pride ourselves on the exceptional value we offer, and this has always been the core of our product offering. The comparison table on this slide gives you a good look at the key benefits of our Sanlam Gap comprehensive product compared to the most comprehensive options from other Gap providers. The tariff shortfall benefit accounts for approximately 70% of Sanlam Gap claims, and we're excited to announce that for 2025, despite increasing claims, we're retaining our rich tariff shortfall benefits. At an additional 600%, Sanlam Gap Comprehensive offers the richest tariff shortfall benefit in the market. This really underscores our commitment to providing quality cover where it matters most. As tariff shortfalls account for such a significant proportion of claims, it's important to understand the difference between the wording of the benefits in the market. Depending on the comprehensiveness of the medical scheme option that the member is on, they would receive cover for either 100%, 200%, or 300% of medical scheme rates. GAP products cover tariff shortfall claims for either an additional X% or up to X%. And the difference between these two options is significant in terms of the extent of cover. Let's take a look at an example. If a medical scheme covers 100% of the scheme rates, a Sanlam GAP member will enjoy cover for an additional 600%, essentially giving them up to 700% cover. On more comprehensive medical scheme options that offer 300% cover, our members will be covered for an additional 600%, giving them up to 900% cover. Compare this to products that offer up to 600%. In this case, members are limited to 600%, no matter the medical scheme option. Anything above 600% will come out of the member's pocket. For 2025, Sanlam GAP is happy to have retained our exceptionally rich tariff shortfall benefit. At an additional 600%, Sanlam GAP Comprehensive offers the richest tariff shortfall benefit in the market, underscoring our commitment to protecting our members. Despite our focus on providing industry-leading benefits, we remain committed to keeping premiums as affordable as possible while maintaining long-term sustainability. We're pleased to announce that the average premium increase for existing members in 2025 will be just 44 Rand per month. And when you compare both premium and benefit limits, Sanlam GAP Comprehensive offers up to 39% more value than any other GAP product in the market. And that's without even factoring in our new mental health benefit for 2025. In today's fast-paced world, mental health challenges are becoming more common, and we're here to support our members through these tough times. Our new mental health benefit enhancement provides members with 5 additional hospital days for admissions due to major affective disorders. We're proud to offer this extra layer of support when it's needed most. On that positive note, we conclude our overview of the insights into the Sanlam GAP book. Thank you very much for joining us. Back to you, Sandile.
Thank you, Steph. Now, as we move into our final presentation for today, I'm excited to introduce Samantha Drake, Head of Sales and Marketing for Sanlam GAP. Sam will be guiding us through the exciting benefits we've lined up for Sanlam GAP cover in 2025. Over to you, Sam.
Thank you, Sandile. And Steph, thank you so much. That was incredibly insightful, and your input, as always, was invaluable to our planning. Next, we're going to dive into the new and exciting changes for our 2025 product offering. As Head of Sales and Marketing, it is my pleasure to now share our enhanced product range for 2025 with you. So let's explore what we've got lined up for next year. We'll start with our Sanlam GAP Comprehensive option, which of course is available to any member on any South African medical scheme. To kick things off, the overall statutory limit has been increased to 210,580 Rand per person per year, keeping in line with the latest legislative updates from the regulator. On top of that, we'll continue to cover an additional 600% over the medical scheme tariff for hospital shortfalls, not forgetting that Sanlam GAP also considers prescribed minimum benefits once they've been reviewed by our clinical team. When it comes to the co-payments and deductibles, your clients will enjoy unlimited benefits up to the overall annual limit. This includes big ticket procedures like MRIs, CT scans, scopes, wisdom teeth extraction, and even the co-payment for Da Vinci robotic surgery. We also know how frustrating penalty co-payments can be, which is why Sanlam GAP Comprehensive offers cover for up to 2 penalty co-payments a year to a maximum of 18,550 Rand each, or a percentage penalty co-payment of up to 30% when a member voluntarily uses a hospital that is not part of their network. If a member faces a shortfall due to medical aid sublimits, don't worry, our comprehensive option steps in with a payout of up to 66,400 Rand per event. Now, when we look at oncology, we know how important comprehensive cover is, and that's why for oncology tariff shortfalls, we provide full cover of up to an additional 500%. We'll also take care of oncology sublimits, paying benefits when charges exceed the scheme's benefit limits. For oncology co-payments, we'll match the 20% co-payment once related costs surpass the medical scheme's threshold. And when biological treatments are involved, we've got your back. We cover up to 25% or 14,250 Rand as long as they're approved by your medical aid scheme. On top of that, we offer an oncology lump sum of 15,500 Rand for first-time diagnosis from stage 2 or higher. We haven't forgotten about dental reconstruction surgery either. If a member experiences accidental harm or undergoes oncology treatment, we'll cover up to 2 events per year of up to 49,900 Rand, less the amount paid by the medical scheme. And here's something new and exciting for 2025. We're introducing a benefit for major affective disorders, which applies to mental depression, where the charges by the insured party's medical scheme have exceeded the prescribed minimum benefits of 21 days. We step in and cover an additional 5 days of up to 2,500 Rand per day. Now let's explore some of the additional and unique benefits we're offering under the Sanlam Gap comprehensive option. First, there's the accidental casualty benefit. If a member is involved in an accident, we'll cover all services provided in the casualty ward up to 18,450 Rand per event, whether the costs are paid from their medical savings account or paid out of pocket. We've also got the casualty child illness benefit, covering after-hours emergency treatment for children under 12. This benefit allows for 2 events per year of up to 3,000 Rand per event. For families expecting little ones, our Family Booster benefit pays out a lump sum of 16,400 Rand in the event of premature birth. The hospital booster benefit is also here to help if a member is admitted to hospital due to accidental harm or premature birth. We offer a daily benefit that increases the longer you stay, up to a total of 30 days to a maximum of 29,300 Rand per person per year. In cases of death or permanent disability due to accidental harm, our Family Protector benefit provides a lump sum payout. For children under 6, it's 20,000 Rand, and for other insured parties, it's 30,000 Rand. Lastly, we have the medical scheme and gap premium waiver. If the principal medical scheme member passes away or becomes permanently disabled due to accidental harm, we provide a lump sum of up to 40,000 Rand towards your medical scheme contributions, as well as the gap policy premium, which will be waived for 6 months. And the best part, these additional and unique benefits aren't subject to the overall annual limit, giving you even more peace of mind. Now, let's shift gears and look at the Sanlam Gap Core, our simplified solution that's exclusive to members of Fed Health, a Sanlam healthcare partner, MedShield, Sanlam Umbrella Fund, and Bonitas. For hospital tariff shortfalls, whether in or out of hospital, Sanlam Gap Core covers an additional 300% of the medical scheme tariff. That's 3 times over and above what the scheme offers. For co-payments and deductibles on diagnostic procedures, both in and out of hospital, we cover up to 11,160 Rand. And if a member incurs a penalty co-payment for using a non-network hospital, we cover 1 event per year of up to 12,270 Rand. We also offer coverage for shortfalls from sublimits of up to 31,800 Rand per event. For oncology, we provide full coverage for tariff shortfalls at an additional 300% of the medical scheme tariff. And if a member faces an oncology co-payment, Sanlam Gap Core will cover 20% of the amount up to 31,800 Rand per insured person per year. One of our standout features on both our comprehensive and core options for FedHealth as a valued Sanlam healthcare partner, Bonitas, as well as a new partnership for 2025 with MedShield, these members will now enjoy our automated claim submission process. This means members can access their benefits with little to no paperwork, making life just that little bit easier. And speaking of convenience, let me tell you about the MediClinic Extender, an affordable add-on for both Sanlam Gap Comprehensive and Core. It's designed for those who use MediClinic facilities and includes some great advantages. Casualty illness cover for the whole family of up to 2 events per year with a limit of 2,800 Rand per event. A specialist benefit, which is paid to specialists working from a MediClinic facility who may charge more than what the medical scheme covers. The specialist benefit provides up to 5,200 Rand per insured party per year. Having private time with your newborn in a private ward is one of the most sought-after hospital upgrades. Should one be available, MediClinic Extender will cover up to 5,200 Rand. For members facing a cancer diagnosis, the MediClinic Extender offers a lump sum of 10,900 Rand from stage 2 or higher. And if you're on the comprehensive plan, you can add an extra 15,500 Rand, bringing the total lump sum payout to 26,400 Rand. We also provide an unlimited cashless co-payments experience at MediClinic hospitals up to the overall annual limit. And we've included 2 penalty co-payments of up to 17,500 Rand per event. Lastly, to round off our 2025 product offerings, we have a bespoke solution with FedHealth, our Sanlam healthcare partner, called FedHealth Next Gen, a tailored solution for younger, healthier members who don't need extended medical benefits but still want essential cover. This includes a penalty co-payment coverage of up to 9,050 Rand for Savvy members and 15,470 Rand for Elect members. 1 MRI and CT scan co-payment of 4,100 Rand. A casualty ward co-payment benefit of 850 Rand. For sports injuries, we cover external prosthetics like a neck brace or orthopedic moon boot of up to 1,680 Rand per year. And to top it off, pricing starts from just 70 Rand per month for single members under 35. It really is a fantastic, affordable option. Overall, our Sanlam Gap comprehensive premiums for 2025 start from just 302 Rand per month, with our preferred partners as low as 199 Rand. When compared to our industry peers, we have up to 39% more value. For additional information on the premiums for 2025, please reach out to your dedicated broker consultant or find our brochures available in our marketing documentation. In closing, let's review our underwriting and corporate guidelines. There is a general 3-month waiting period, although benefits that apply directly to accidental harm will become active immediately. On that note, please also be aware that should MediClinic Extender be added later and not on join date, a 3-month general waiting period will also be imposed. Condition-specific waiting periods will apply to policyholders with pre-existing conditions who submit claims within the first 12 months of joining. These waiting periods also apply to voluntary group onboarding. However, in the case of compulsory onboarding for groups, no underwriting or waiting periods will be imposed. And remember, companies of 20 or more policyholders that wish to join Sanlam Gap will enjoy preferred premiums based on their demographics. It's been an absolute pleasure to take you through our new product offerings, and we hope that you are as excited as we are about these enhancements. Thank you so much for listening.
We encourage you to connect with us to enroll your members in a gap product with unparalleled benefit richness. Additionally, don't forget to inquire about our tailored corporate preferential prices designed exclusively for you.
Thank you all so much for joining us today. We truly appreciate your time and participation. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us or one of your dedicated broker consultants. And remember, with Sanlam Gap, ensuring good health is never a bridge too far.
Thank you for joining us today. Sanlam Gap Cover continues to offer market-leading benefits up to the overall annual limit of 210,580 Rand per insured party per year, with an additional 600% tariff shortfall cover, unlimited co-payments, and our new mental health benefit. We're also introducing an age-banded rate structure that ensures competitive premiums for life. We'll be sending all the important details directly to your inbox, so please keep an eye out for our marketing collateral coming soon. Sanlam Gap Cover is committed to ensuring that good health is never a bridge too far for any of your clients. Thanks for being part of our journey for yet another year, and we look forward to supporting you and your clients in 2025.